I just finished working on a 2007 Saturn Vue, and what I did was I replaced the AC heater motor resistor. And the reason why I replaced it is because Bob went to an auto mechanic and they told him the reason why the heater is not working in his car is because he needs an AC heater motor resistor. I changed the part. Once I changed the part, the heater was coming on and it was turning off. It was coming on and it was turning off. Now, about a year ago, Bob had this heater resistor replaced, and they charged him $250 just to replace it. You're gonna hear me saying it in the beginning in the video. Now, once I changed it, because Bob just wanted me to change it, it did not work according to plan. At the end of the day, I determined that he has a wire issue. Off camera, what I did was I checked the relay, I checked the fuses, and I even checked the heater motor. What I did with the heater motor was I grabbed the battery with 2 wires and I connected, and the heater blower came on. So he has a wire issue. I'm still gonna post this video just in case if someone out there is replacing or looking for the location of the AC heater motor resistor on a 2007 Saturn Vue. So enjoy the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, just give me a smile. Later. Hello my YouTube friend, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm with my homeboy Big Bob. Say what's up, Bob.
What's up, world?
Today we are working on a 2007 Saturn Vue, and Bob doesn't have no heat and it's getting cold. He's freezing his you know what. So we're gonna work on his car. What we're gonna be replacing is the AC heater motor resistor. He already had this done, I think, last year, and he paid $250 to do this job. He should have came to me, but he decided to go somewhere else, so he had to pay $250. So today, the reason we're going to be replacing it is because he went to the auto shop and they said that's what he needed. So we're not going to diagnose it. All we're going to do is replace it. But one thing I want to tell you, I have an aftermarket one, and an aftermarket one, this one we paid $15 for it. I told Bob that usually these right here only last about a year and 2 years. I recommend that you get the one that comes with the car. Now that one costs about $100, $125. Right now with everything that's going on, there's no money for that. So we're gonna be replacing it. So let's get going. There's one thing I forgot to mention. When you remove the AC heater motor resistor, it's gonna be a little difficult down there because you see right here, this is what the wire harness goes at, and it's gonna be like this, and there's no way that you can put your finger in there to get the wire harness out. So the first thing you have to remove is you're gonna have to remove these bolts out of here. There's 1, 2, and I believe there are 8 millimeters. We're gonna go down there and show you. Also, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 7 millimeter socket with a 1/4 inch ratchet. And also what you're gonna need is an 8 millimeter wrench. And the AC resistor is in the passenger side in the bottom. Lucky for us that in some cars you have to remove the whole glove compartment. But in this situation, all you have to remove is a plastic that is under. The reason why I'm telling you is because I'm gonna have to go down there with the camera and I may not be able to show you well. So under there, once you remove that plastic, there's gonna be 2 7 millimeter screws. You're gonna remove those 2, they're gonna go out. Then we're gonna go under and you're gonna see the resistor, and it's gonna be in a tight spot. So let's go under the passenger seat and let's see what we got. What we're gonna do right now is verify the complaint. We're gonna see the heater is working, and Bob is gonna turn on the car and turn on the heater to see if it's working. Go ahead, Bob, do your thing. As you can see, nothing is, he just turned it on. It's full blast, and we don't have nothing coming out. So what we're gonna do is, okay, Bob, turn off the car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under here.
You want me to leave this on the on, but it don't matter.
Nah, you can leave it off.
All right.
So we're gonna go
Break.
right here, and we're gonna see right here this plastic here, and you have 2 screws, 1 and 2, and those are 7 millimeters. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove them. That's one, and there goes the other one right here.
Get this word, put it
All
on
right.
miles around.
Now that you remove both of them, it's very easy to take the cover out. You just pull it out. Now, the AC resistor is all the way back there. Gonna do my best to give you a good shot of it. And you see it right here? That's your AC resistor there. AC and heater resistor. And it has 2, I believe they are 8 millimeter bolts on it. So we're gonna start removing it. And you're gonna have to use an open wrench because of the tight spot. We cannot take the wire harness out because the clip is in the other side. So now, as you can see right here, I loosen this one up and I loosen this one up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove them both, right? And then I'm gonna show you how to take out the wire harness. So here you go, we remove both screws, and all you have to do is just bring it down, and there goes the clip. There goes the clip right there for the wire harness. And all you have to do is just pull this. What you gotta do is pull this back. I can't do it one hand, but you get the idea. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera right there, Bob. Point right there. So all you have to do is just hold this, push it back, and you should be able
Yeah, I see it's hard to pull back.
So it's a little difficult, but you have to push this back. Yeah. Right here, you gotta push it back from this, and it's a little tough. So now all you have to do is take the other one, your new one. Have to do the new one, just take it, and all you have to do is just put this back a little bit, and then push it in. Make sure it's locked in all around, and then you're doing a good job, Bob. I'm gonna hire you.
I'm trying to hold it for you.
So now what we're gonna do is, remember, the side of the wire harness go towards the firewall. So all we're gonna do is take it. Good job, Bob. And we're gonna push it up. Once we push it up, we're gonna take one of the screws to hold it down. You getting that there, Bob? Yeah, good job.
Yeah, I got you. Can you see?
Y'all can see. Just the way this thing is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one on, and then we're gonna see how it's working. So to put the AC and heater resistor, you have to at least put the one in the inside first, because it makes it a little difficult if you put this one first. So you have to put that one first, this one over here, and then this one. So what we're gonna see now, let's see, is replacing the AC motor resistor works. Let's go, Bob. Do your thing.
Nothing.
Yes, it is. Because you got it in the top, Bob.
Wait a minute.
There it goes.
I do feel something.
Yeah.